We'll guide you through how to make modern chart in Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Figma on your computer. Open the Figma file where you want to create a modern chart so the canvas is ready for editing. After opening the file, move to the bottom toolbar and click the Actions icon. Select Plugins and Widgets from the available options so you can use external plugins that extend the application's functionality. Next, move to the search bar inside the plugin panel and type 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗶𝘀𝗀 to locate the Chart Generator plugin. When the search results appear, click the result named Plugin 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀 to select it. After selecting the plugin, click Run to start the plugin and open its interface inside your workspace. In the plugin panel, select the line chart icon from the menu on the left side to switch the plugin to line chart mode. Inside the line chart panel, adjust the data settings such as minimum value, maximum value, decimal points, and row values if needed. For example, keep the default values that are already provided by the plugin. Next, you can also modify the data names, number of data points, and year labels depending on your design needs. For example, use the default dummy data provided by the plugin. After adjusting the data values, scroll down in the plugin panel to see additional settings that control the chart's appearance. In this section, change the ChartSet theme if you want a different visual style. For example, switch the theme to dark mode to create a darker and more modern chart appearance. Then choose the point graphic style according to your preference. For example, select the style that best matches your design concept. You can also apply a quick preset to automatically style the chart. For example, select one of the preset styles provided by the plugin. Once the configuration is complete, click Generate to create the line chart. The generated line chart will appear directly on the canvas inside your Figma file. Review the generated line chart on the canvas carefully. Check the labels, data values, and visual style to make sure everything looks correct. If any data or design needs adjustment, return to the plugin panel, modify the settings, and generate the chart again.